How to stream vertically and horizontally at once in MELD Studio. Hi everyone, I'm Gilherme from JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to stream vertically and horizontally simultaneously in MELD Studio. These days, broadcasting live on multiple platforms like different social networks is becoming increasingly necessary at times. For this, MELD Studio has a tool called MultiCanvas. With it, you can stream vertically and horizontally at the same time. In this tutorial, we'll stream to two custom services, which are our live video streaming plans. If you want to know our plans, I'll show a QR code on screen for more info. We even have a tool to stream multiple lives simultaneously to social networks using just one live's processing power. In this tutorial, we'll see how to use your computer's power for two simultaneous streams, doubling or even tripling the processing. Want to learn more about our MELD Studio tutorials? I'll leave a link to our YouTube channel in the description to explore this new software further. For more on streaming, check out our free course linked in the description too. With MELD Studio open, go to File and then Preferences. At the top of the settings, we have two options, Main Canvas and MultiCanvas. Let's activate MultiCanvas by clicking on it. For the main horizontal screen, we'll set the canvas option to 1080p. In frame rate, we'll set it to 30 FPS. For fast-moving content like sports, I'd recommend 60 FPS. Now click on Add Output and select the Custom option. Remember, in this section, you can choose your preferred social network or select Custom to enter a specific URL and service key. Most social networks provide a URL and key. Simply copy and paste them into the designated fields. Let's enter the URL and key and choose vertical or horizontal orientation. For this one, I'll select horizontal, which is the main canvas. Exit and create another custom configuration. Do the same process but select the vertical option. Now we can see the video bitrate for each configuration. Remember, your device needs processing power to stream both simultaneously. Let's set the rates. We'll also set the audio bitrate to 160. With that, the configuration is complete. Now let's add content for both vertical and horizontal orientations. It's best to use your live stream as the audio will be the same for both setups. If you use different content, both audio tracks will play on both streams. After this, just start the live stream. If two settings are active here, it'll stream to both. So that's it. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe and follow us on social media.